Guys, Miguel here, a quick video on this E85 Z4. Just replaced the windshield because it had a lot of rock chips and I wanted new gaskets on it just so that it'll look a little bit nicer. This has been my project for the last 4 or 5 months. Done a lot of work on the car already, and the last thing that's really annoying me is the window cowl. It's cracked and stuff, and I don't want to spend $280 for a new window cowl. So what I did was I just bought this windshield gasket off of Amazon for like $8. I'm gonna try it out and see how it goes onto the damaged cowl, and hopefully it's gonna look a lot better. Just laying it on top already makes it a lot nicer. So I'm gonna put this on and then I'm gonna hit this with VLR, so everything will be shiny and looking new again. So I'm gonna put this on real quick and then continue with the video. All right, so that was a pain in the ass to install. A little bit short on this side, but that's fine. But it does look a lot better, and I did save a lot of money. I'm gonna blow all this out, and then I'm gonna stick the adhesive part to the glass, and yeah, and then I'm gonna use some VLR for the plastic to shine it up. Like on the other side of it is a double-sided tape that you're gonna peel out, and it's gonna stick onto the glass so that it doesn't move. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna cut this video, but that's what it looks like. And then when I come back, it's gonna be all shiny with a VLR, and that'll be my solution for a messed up window cowl for the E85 Z4. So as you're pulling it out and sticking it, that's what it looks like. And then now it's stuck onto the windshield, and it's kind of like wedged in the good part of the cowl. So you're just gonna pull it out like that, and then you're gonna stick it. And then VLR over here, and I'll be right back. And then pretty much this is where the magic happens. I'm putting VLR on the actual window cowl that's already beat down by the weather and stuff like that, and that's what it looks like. It's not gonna look perfect, but it's gonna look a lot better than what it was looking like before. After I do this top part, I'm gonna be doing the stuff underneath the hood as well. And you know, after changing the windshield, it was about $380 to change it. The cowl was really annoying. No one sees it except for me, but I'm actually the most important person that looks at this car, and that's what I've got right there. So new gaskets all around, even with the window. It was replaced all the way to the top, and then now I have a new gasket on the bottom part, and the cowl looks absolutely fantastic. So 3 minutes and 34 seconds on this video. I wish I would have been able to show you guys how to get this into the cowl. It was really annoying, and you do need one of those plastic panel tools to just kind of like jam in there. But for now, I'm very happy with the way this looks. I'll have an Amazon link on the description for this guy over here, and thanks for watching.